Hello everyone, Gautam Verma this side, founder and CEO of Trendy. Let me just brief myself. Basically, we are the manufacturer and exporters of t-shirts, hoodies and sweatshirts. We are based in New Delhi, India. Today I am making this video over the topic where once I also face a lot of problem. The issue was I wanted to launch my own website, and I had a web designer and I paid huge money over there for the web designing. Basically they are web designer and service provider only, and when I paid money to them, then they started to create my website, and after that when my website was created, and after that when they were supposed to give the provide the service like meta ad, like this Google ad, SEO, search engine optimization, that time their response was very poor, and I was facing a lot of problem because of their response. Then finally I decided what the solution is of this particular issue, because I was not only facing this issue, so many customers, so many customers worldwide, they were facing issue when they have given the money to the service providers. They were basically providing only services, but their response was too poor. So sometimes they are picking the phone, sometimes they are responding over the WhatsApp, sometimes not, whatever. So overall the result didn't come. Then finally I found that there must be a solution, permanent solution. Then I created another company which will handle my clients, my customers, all the digital marketing services. And now why a person has give money for the making the website from my company, because what now I do, now I make the website. My another company, they make the people, they are quite professional, of course, and they make the website, and they provide the proper website services like meta ad, Google ad, SEO, search engine optimization, digital marketing and everything. And if here the point is, if your website will not increase or will not generate the sales, and if you are basically in t-shirts, hoodies and sweatshirts, and you are purchasing from me, and your website will not generate the sale, then how, if you are purchasing from me, then how my sale will come? Means what exactly I want to say here, if you have chosen me as a website developer, as a website service provider and everything, and you are purchasing from me the products as well, if your sale will increase in your website, then what will happen? Your sale will increase, means you are purchasing from where? You are purchasing from me. My sale will also increase, means I will be pressurized that your sale must be in increase by and by. Your sale is increasing, doesn't matter, doesn't mean that only your sale is increasing. Your sale is increasing means here my sale is also increasing, because from where you are purchasing the products. We are t-shirts manufacturer and exporter, hoodies and sweatshirts. If your sales, t-shirts, hoodies and sweatshirts is increasing, you are purchasing, somewhere you are purchasing from me. So side by side my sale is also increasing, so I will be more focused rather than any other service provider, because they are only providing the services, nothing else. And here we are providing the services, and your sale is increasing, and you are purchasing the product from us, means our sale is also increasing. So both the ways, this is win-win situation, first thing. And secondly, here I just want to brief that if you really interested to do the big in your life, you are Indian, you are a foreigner from any country, it's a golden chance. Why I am saying the golden chance? Because now everybody knows that our Indian Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, he has announced that India and UK, especially here I'm emphasizing the UK market. India and UK, there is no taxes in trade. Means this is taxes free zone. India and UK, this is the biggest opportunity for Indians. This is the biggest opportunity for UK citizens as well if they are purchasing from India. So again, this is a win-win situation. And if you are from UK, so and you are giving us this opportunity to make your website, to provide the services, and you are purchasing t-shirts, hoodies and sweatshirts from us, we will directly do drop shipping to your end customer from New Delhi. We are based in New Delhi, India, the capital of India. We will do the drop shipping. Here the drop shipping means the product will directly reach to your customer. First thing. Second thing, if you want to keep your stock, suppose you are in any country of the world, not only in UK, any country of the world, and you want to keep the stock, you may keep the stock there, and we are providing the services, website designing services to you, and your sale is increasing. Whatever the zone or whatever the zone of the world you have chosen, your sale is increasing, and here my sale is also increasing. So you have kept the stock from there, and you are doing the shipping from there. So now on the very brief over here, that here again I'm repeating that if you are taking the opportunity for the web designing, for the web servicing, and you are purchasing from that particular point only, so this is really win-win situation. Now please don't wait and don't think too much. If you really want to do big in your life, this is a golden opportunity, and really it's a win-win situation. Again I'm repeating, and just think over that. And here my office number, even my personal number is also there. This is mentioned over here, so anytime you can do WhatsApp me. Just simply do WhatsApp your concern and your country, and our technical team will properly support this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.